Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Ford Escape Titanium. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in silver, and under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 19-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights and turn signals on the side mirrors. On top we have roof rails with crossbars, power liftgate, and the proximity smart key system which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Ford Escape and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob. Here up top we do have our starter button, which is fully functional. We also got our lock and unlock button and our power liftgate button, which we will get to in just a moment. This Ford Escape does have a proximity smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, you can press this button right here to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it, you can just put your hand right in there. Taking a look in the door first, on the bottom you do have some storage space, and above it you'll find your power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and your seating presets. Next to the door you do have your different lighting options. This Ford Escape is equipped with black leather seating, and on the bottom you will find your power seating adjustment buttons, and we got this nice little convenient feature here. If your phone ever falls out, it's not going to be buried underneath the seat for eternity. It'll be right there waiting for you. Now why don't we hop inside and start the Ford Escape up. It is a push to start. Push the brake in, engine start button right beside the wheel there. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. This cluster will allow us to navigate through our multi-information display. And while we are up here, just to show you, this Ford Escape does have 42,595 kilometers on it. Down below that you have your cruise control settings, and on the right you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. And before we move on to our screen, behind the wheel you will find paddle shifters. On our screen here right now we are on home. On the left side we got the navigation map, and you can add your device through the home screen right there, or we can go to audio and sources. Here you have your CD, AM and FM, and you can connect your phone through Bluetooth here as well, and you can connect it through the phone option. If we go into settings, you have your standard vehicle settings. If we go into apps, Sirius Travel Link, here you can view all kinds of convenient features like weather, traffic list, movie listings, like come on, navigation. Here you can set your map, your destination. And we do have a backup camera as well. There you have your guidelines. Moving down below is our climate control system. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. You also will find your heated steering wheel button right there. That's convenient for those cold winter days. Down below you have your 12-volt outlet and your USB port. Next to the shifter you have your 2 cup holders, a little storage compartment, center console, plenty of space. You also got a 12-volt outlet in there as well. And we can also access the top half of the center console. You got a nice little shelf. And lastly is the glove box. In here you'll find your owner's manual and plenty of space. Now before we take a look at cargo, we're just going to take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door you have some storage just like the driver's side. Continuing with the black leather seating. Behind the front passenger and driver's seat, you do have this nice little pocket for some extra storage. And if we look in the center here, we can pull this down. You got a nice little armrest as well as 2 cup holders. And these rear seats do fold down. All you got to do is hold this up, and those will come folding down, giving you access to your cargo. To open up, all we got to do is hold this 4th button on our key fob, and that power liftgate will open on its own, nice and easy. Taking a look inside, which is plenty of cargo space in this Escape. Of course, we have this cover here as well. We can pull that. Let's just get this attached on both sides. There we go. Covering any essentials you might be carrying in here. If we take a look underneath, you do have your spare tire in case that ever goes out on you. And if you ever need that extra bit of cargo space, like I mentioned, the 2nd row seating does go down. To close up, all we got to do is press this button up top, and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our 2017 Ford Escape. Once again, some of those great interior features include your navigation, dual zone climate control system, and a backup camera. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.